Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make butter using just one ingredient. Now the butter that you make at home is so much more rich and creamy, and I promise that it will completely transform the way you eat toast. That being said, let's get started. Start by beating 2 cups of heavy cream on high speed until the butter solids separate from the buttermilk. This takes roughly 8 to 10 minutes. After about 3 minutes, you'll get a beautiful whipped cream. At this point, if you wanted to add salt, go right ahead. I left mine plain because that's just the way I like mine, but feel free to do whatever you enjoy. I find that it takes a bit longer to make butter using a hand mixer as opposed to a stand mixer, so I placed a bowl of cold water underneath my mixing bowl just to keep my cream cool. Again, this step is optional. I just found that it really helped the process along. At this point, you can see the butter has started to separate from the liquid. This liquid is called buttermilk. Save and refrigerate the buttermilk and use it in any recipe that calls for it. Buttermilk makes the most delicious pancakes and chocolate cake. Wash your butter with ice cold water. Repeat until all the water is clear. Don't skip this step as it keeps the butter fresh and prevents it from going rancid. Using your clean hands or gloves, squeeze the remaining water out of your butter and then place it in icy cold water for a few seconds to firm up. At this time, you can shape your butter if you prefer, or you can pop it into an airtight container as is. I used parchment paper and a knife to shape my butter. This homemade butter can keep up to 3 weeks in the fridge. Mine disappears well before that time. It's really that good, guys. This butter tastes so gourmet, you really can't buy anything fresher than this. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more videos, please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.